Hello everybody and welcome back to Parasite Eve 1. It's been a while I recorded this game. I forgot it. And then what was it again? The Resident Evil 1. I'm in part 6 I think. I'm just gonna review the footage again. What is the missing piece I need or something. Or, to progress the game. Right now you're gonna let me to tune up the guns. I didn't ask to be assigned here to watch you over the warehouse all day, you know. As long as you see guns as toys, you'll never touch them. Hey, I know, I can make stronger gun than you. Guns aren't supposed to be stronger, you numbskull. They're supposed to be safer. Fine, you geezer. Wait, what? What happened here? Man, I could do it so much better. I can turn that gun into a cannon easy. I wanna leave something here. I think okay. Okay. Oh no. Mod permit we need to change that. Okay, this guy here, I will do it with you defense and offense later when I have the most strongest gun in the game. When I combine the things I need to boost its power. Oh! Okay, that one is permanent. Okay, nothing. Okay. Wait, what? I didn't read the dialogue. Oof. This one's retiring after this year. He sure does deserve a break. Yeah. Okay, and I was thinking of something earlier, like what game should I record next, like that. But I have the footage of some. But later I will record the Dragon Quest again. But edited because too much grinding. I need too much grinding because of that. So yeah, I think the second one I barely grinding or something, if I'm correct here, because I don't know much. I forgot the game nowadays. And I have the, what was it again? I have the strategy guide of the 7th game on PS1 for the PS1 version. Oh man, I hope they patch the Dragon Quest 4 on PS1. That would be better than the other game. Than the DS, because the DS, yeah, there are some, it's the definitive way of playing the game, but I don't like two screens, I think. Two screens was not my type. Oh. What the hell does Melissa want from us? Well, it looks like she wants to gather people in one big area. Damn, that thing's got my boy involved. She's gonna pay for this. Let's hurry. Just hang in there, Ben. I'm coming for you. Oh man, being a father. Ben! Then you stop. I gotta to get my boy, Ruby. Stupid. Whoa! Sometimes you got to look before you leap, old timer. I don't care if I burn. I'll go. Ben's my son. He's the only family I've got. Damn it, I can't do anything. Leave it to me. Well, but I'll get them out safe, I promise. Besides, Ben needs you. You won't do him any good if you are dead. Alright, I'm counting on you, Aya. I know. Wait, where is the save point? Where is a phone? Okay, there is none. I think in the zoo area. I think there's a zoo area here, if I'm correct. Yeah, this one. There's a zoo area, I think, in the game. In this area. In the game, in this area. Or if or not, just correct me. Just correct me, everyone. You can comment it down below. For now, I am finding a job for my mom, and it's just a family. Holy no! Ow! Holy moly, dude! Yeah. Thank you for that. Wait, how many? Okay. I think I will just do the wait, what? Okay. The pan up of the camera. Okay. What was it? Active time. Alright. Item capacity is better, I think, or I will just balance it out. Yeah, this is the zoo. This is the area. Then I will save there, then fight Eve again. Oh man, pain in the ass of that girl. Maybe that girl was from Japan. She was from Japan. Okay, count 12, 10 bullets left. was junk, so nope. Okay, another random encounter again. Ow! Level up. Alright. Okay. Okay. For now, let's just concern the other thing. What was junk though? Okay, you need a key. I thought I'm going to oh, okay. I'm going there immediately. Oh man, ow, dang it. Let's get let's take some medicine. Oh nice, that was close. 83. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, that would be fine. The P energy is fine because I'm not going to use anything. Eva's here. Oh man, that. Okay, alright. Zuki. Oh man, I need medicine. Oh yeah, I will check later on the status of my parcel. I forgot it. Then my email. I hope I am hired. That's what. But thank to the heavens, I have a friend that will help. That will refer me to security. Nice. I think. Wait. I will read the achievements later. After this. Wait, I will stop the recording because I'm going to screenshot something. Okay. Defense 2 plus defense 2. I will go back for now on that the mod permit because I do not have any. What was it? Okay, let's go here. Wait. Let's go back for now. I don't need I will buy what was it? A set of the analog covers if I'm analog covers because of the sweaty hands I have, silicone ones, so I can preserve these analog controllers. And I hate it. Oh, there's a chest here. Right. Ow! Oh yeah, I need. Ay! You. What was junk though? Reload brace. Okay, nice. I will explore the area first before we move forward. Maybe there's something I need or not. Ow! Ow! Oh, what the? That was stupid of me. And yeah, that was stupid. Okay, retry. Oh, revive. Okay, nice. Oh yeah, I have many revives. Okay, let's go check it here. Alright, nice. Okay. Okay. Oh man, another one of these. Ow! There you go. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay. And I go here. Yeah. Oh no, this guy. Oh, oh no. Okay, anti-potion. Oh, if you want me to be attack, want me to attack me. Okay, nice. Select please. Okay. All of the animals have escaped. Oh man. For now, let's explore the area. We will not go there first because that's the final area, I think. Okay, I still have revive, but reload this gun. Okay. Okay. Spinning right round, baby, right round. Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh no. Oh, okay, only snakes. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Okay, parasite. Okay. Nice. Wait, what? Okay. Okay, let's double check the area first. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Should I? Should I use the PK energy that I've got? Wait, let me check the achievements late first. Oh no. Oh man, not this. Not this. Oh, okay. Okay, revive. Ow. Ow. But what was the Abomination. I saw. Ow. Okay. And then later I will play Lagoon Racing, if I'm correct. The racing RPG that my friends say to me. Okay. We will save. Wait. I think I can save there. Yeah. I think I can save there. I was just doubting that I cannot. I think like that. I'm not allowed to save there for now because ow. No. Oh no, please don't. Kill. And that will be pain in the ass. Okay, this is the right area now. We are going. Okay, where is the... Okay. Okay, for now, let's stop. Okay, I'm back. At least I can use heal, but in the fight, nope, I am not allowed. I read the achievements I need. For now, let's fight Eve. Dang it. Without items. Okay, this girl. The holiday season brings joy to us all. Okay. And this Christmas will be the most special of all. Special because I will no longer to be under the control of a host, as I have since the dawn of time. Humans are weak mitochondria can self-evolve. Mitochondria must now take over the nucleus. Okay. Cinematics. I have to get backstage and stop her. Okay, I'm not allowed to go there yet. Okay, who are you, kid? Maybe that's her past ghost. Thank you for that. There you go. Why? Why are you doing this? You again, but you are too late. You will not ruin my plans as you did last night. Stop! Okay. Oh no. Okay, I will head back, I think. I hope I will head back. Okay. Okay, I am correct. Okay. Let's chase her. There you go. Okay, wait. Let me look at the... let me save first and end this episode. Oh! Oh no! Oh no. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay. Well then, this is the end of the episode, everybody. See, thank you for watching. God bless everyone, and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do